Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just click here on account down here. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notification settings, just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click on notification categories here. You come to next step here, come here to updates and announcements here. So you just click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here updates and announcements notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.